Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having the battery drain drop after updating to the iOS 26 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about we need to make sure a few things that you have to turn off the background app refresh. So to do so, we just need to go over here, tap on the settings, tap on the general. Now from here you have to scroll down and go over here in the background app refresh and tap over here. And right now, as you can see, this is on the Wi-Fi and mobile data. So what I'm saying is you can completely turn this off. Now we just need to go back. That is the first and famous step. And also apart from this, we have to do a few more things. Just go back over here. And also you have to navigate to the accessibility and go to the display and text size. And over here, if the auto brightness is turned on, that is one of the reasons. So you have to turn this off. That is going to work for you as well. And right now, in my case, as you can see, that I'm already right now, if you go to the display and brightness, I'm on the light mode, which means I have to change to the dark mode. So dark mode really helps to reduce the battery drain issue if you're facing. So let me change into the battery over here like this. Change to the darker mode, and that is also very important. And also sometimes accidentally, even though this might be, the brightness might be into the maximum, even if you are in the indoor. So always keep a habit of changing this to mid area like this. But if you're going out, you can switch this back to the maximum. But if you're in the indoor, you can always keep in this into the mid rate over here like this. And you can just need to go back, and we have to navigate to go to the privacy and security. If the location services is turned on, that is also one of the main culprit. So you can see some of these apps are actually having the access, but some of them are not using. So even though I'm not going to do this, let me turn off the location service here. I have to turn this off. That even might help you guys out as well. And also apart from this, if you ask me the questions, if you're having the Wi-Fi access, for example, instead of the mobile data, if both are turned on, try disabling the mobile data, and also try all the time depending on the Wi-Fi. Because if you're in the Wi-Fi, that's going to improve your battery, not in the improve, it's not going to consume just like the mobile data. So always try, you can also use or connect to the Wi-Fi, not the mobile data. Try turning off the mobile data if you're having the Wi-Fi. And these are some of the steps that's going to help you guys out when it comes to the battery drain drop issue. And I hope this quick video is helpful. Bye.